Hi everyone, today I'm going to be using these wave gel colors on my nails. Wave gel is a gel polish, a professional gel polish. You can get it online, and I will link the information in the description box below. I personally really like this brand. It's pretty awesome. And these sets also come with a matching regular lacquer. For this video, I'm using the regular lacquer. I only use gels now for if I'm going to go away and I need my nail polish to stay on longer than a week, or like a week and I'm going away, I'm not going to be home, because I have been changing my nail polishes out more often, and I've been really liking the versatility and the easy removal of regular polishes. Now, I also said that I would not be using a lot of stamping plates in my videos. However, this one I am going to use a stamping plate because there is no way on earth I am going to be drawing snowflakes on my nails. Just not happening. So today's plate I'm going to be using is the Lena Four Seasons Winter O2 plate. First thing I'm going to do is put base coat on all of my fingernails and then let that dry, and then we'll come back and put the colors on. I'm going to be doing each nail in a different color. So on my pointer finger, I'm doing light pink, and this is Strawberry Shortcake. On my middle finger, I'll be doing Cerulean Blues, which is a pastel blue. On my ring finger, I'm doing pastel purple, and this one is Maiden of Grape. Wow, this one's almost a one coater. Either that or I have it on like way too thick, and it's never going to dry. Ugh. My pinky is You're Tealin' Me. And this one is a good thick one coater. I do have to say the later polishes that I bought from them have been more pigmented, so that's a plus. And on my thumb, I am doing Misty Blush. A really great thing about using these wave gel regular lacquers is they actually dry incredibly fast. So that's a plus. Even though you're not using a lamp or a gel, these ones, they're fantastic. So I'm just adding a second coat to all of the nails. I'll just add a really thin coat to this one, even though it doesn't really appear to need one. You may notice that they do dry a little on the satin finish, not a high gloss, but that's okay because you can use a high gloss top coat. This one actually might need a third coat. It's pretty streaky even on the second one. I'm going to use Brave's Diva Shutout Stamping Polish. And I'm just going to select some snowflakes. I'm going to add a sticky base coat to all of my fingernails and let it dry for 1 minute before I try to apply the stamped image. And I'm just going to remove the stuff around the edge. And I'll get some of these smaller snowflakes. There we go. I'm going to follow up with sealing in the stamping on each nail with Maniology smudge-free top coat. This stuff is really remarkable and it will not smear your nail art. Now that the smudge-free is dry, I'm going to go ahead and add a matte top coat to all of my nails. And I'm going to add some gems to the middle of the snowflakes. I'm just going to stick these in the top coat. If you wanted them to be really secure, you could put a dot of glue after the matte top coat dries, or you can actually, if you have gel polish, you can actually put a dot of gel polish, put your gem on there, and then cure it. I have a couple of different size gems here. I just order all my gems off of eBay. Oops, I accidentally got 2 on there. Okay. Whew. Great, that's good. And a little one for the pinky. And one more for my thumb. There we go. So here is the finished snowflake mani. I hope you like how it turned out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.